It can be stressful if a storm has recently blown through your area, and it can be doubly stressful if you know that you have had damage sustained by that storm. This is a guide for homeowners on step-by-step what to do after you've found out that your roof has sustained hail damage or wind damage. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. One, contact your insurance. The first thing you want to do, especially if that storm has just blown through your area, is to contact your insurance company to start that claim process. You definitely want to do this right after a storm passes through, because when a large storm sweeps through an area, the insurance companies are going to be met with a large influx of claims that they have to deal with, and you want to be first in line. When you're on the phone with the insurance company making that claim, there's a good chance that they're going to tell you to go out to multiple roofing contractors and get quotes. Something like, get 3 quotes from 3 different roofers. However, there's something very important to keep in mind about this. 2, get a quote from a roofer that you like. This is where it gets a little tricky. To be perfectly clear, we're not trying to lump every single insurance company into the same box and demonize all of them. All insurance companies are different, and they'll treat their customers in a different manner. However, in our experience, when a homeowner is told to get multiple quotes from different roofing contractors, most of the time, they're going to use the cheapest quote provided for that roof replacement, which means the homeowner is not going to get the best roof possible, and they're going to be locked into that small budget for their roof claim. Instead, you should focus on picking out a single roofing contractor that you really like, preferably, and most roofing contractors have this, one that has a lot of experience dealing with insurance companies. That roofer will then be able to contact the insurance company and send them the quote on your behalf, and then be able to argue why that price is the way it is, and why that needs to be the price for the roof replacement. If you're having trouble finding that reputable roofing contractor who has plenty of insurance experience, you can click on the link here. It'll take you to billreaganroofing.com, where you can watch our videos on how to hire a good roofing contractor. If for some reason you're strong-armed or just forced into using multiple quotes for that insurance company, we would highly suggest asking that one reputable roofing contractor that you found for their recommendations, as nobody knows who does better work around the roofing area than other roofers. 3, have patience and listen to your roofer. This is the part that you should really take to heart. For many homeowners, the insurance process is easy, and all that money that they've been spending on their premiums is cashed in, and they get the roof replacement that they've rightfully earned. For the rest of us, the insurance process can be an irritating experience that makes you want to pull your hair out. However, as long as you've chosen a good roofing contractor who's on your side, they're going to be able to do a lot of the work for you and fight the good fight. At the end of the day, if the roofer gets that claim approved, they make money off of it. So even if they're not reputable, they're still on the side of getting that claim approved. The most important thing is to just have patience throughout the process. It can be irritating, it could take multiple no's before you get a yes, but eventually, as long as you have that rightful claim, it's gonna get approved, and your roofer's gonna help you out with that. Hopefully the insurance process is easy, you get a yes from your insurance adjuster, and you get the roof that you've earned. However, if it's turning out to be complicated and you get a no from your insurance adjuster, don't worry, because there are steps that you can take to keep fighting to get that roof that you've earned. Click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch our video on what to do if the insurance adjuster says no, so you can learn those steps for yourself. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. If we've helped you out today, consider liking and subscribing so we can spread more helpful information to homeowners like yourself. And we'll see you next time.